Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to execute manual test cases in Azure DevOps. Okay, let's get started. So in order to do that, I'm going to launch a browser and type Azure DevOps URL. Then I logged into the to Azure DevOps, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on my project name. In real life, you'll be clicking on your project name. Okay. If you go back, you should see your company information and the project name that was assigned to you. You click on your project name, and on the left panel, we'll click on the test plans tab. On the test plan tabs, if you click on the back arrow, it should give you all the existing test plan. For this demo, I'm going to use my website test plan. So double click on that, and then once you click on that, it will show the test suite. In the previous video, I showed how to create test plan and create test suite and how to add manual test cases to your test suite. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna execute um, this manual test to verify change logging functionality is working or not. Okay, so on the tab you see define, execute, and chart. In the define section, it shows you test cases. Okay, so now let's open the test case and see the steps. In here you can see I have 5 steps. Launch a browser, type change.com and hit enter. Enter username and password. Click sign in button and click logout button. Okay, so before executing the test case, I should change the status to ready and save and close. Okay, my test case is ready to execute it. So double click. Okay, actually no. Click on the Click on the um, select the test case and click on the execute tab. The execute tab, it opens the test case in execution mode. So which test case you want to execute? You can execute all of them. For this demo, I'm going to execute only these one. Okay, select command. And then since it is a web-based application, I'll say run for web application option. Click on that and it will open the test case in execution mode. Okay, so here are the 5 steps. So I'm going to follow this step. Launch a browser, expected result, browser open. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So launch a browser, let's say Edge. I can open Edge. Okay. Um, so here's my browser. Try to make it small so I can see both windows. Okay. Okay. So I launched the browser. So it is a pass or fail. It's a pass. Okay. Type change.com and hit enter. Says login page displays, the home page displays. Okay. Um, and then click sign in. I think I forgot to add one of this thing. Okay, anyway, so click sign in button and enter username and password. So I'm gonna test like a test user, test password. So let's say it passes, right? So it pass, sign in button. So next one is click sign in button and pretend it logged you in and it takes you to the account page. So then after that, you click on the logout option, and it will log you out from sales.com. That's everything worked, and um, everything passed. And then what you do, you're gonna save and close. You can save and close the test results. I closed it, and I'm gonna close the browser to finish the page, and you should see that we executed one test case and it passed. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to execute a manual test case and log a defect. Thank you so much. That's for today. Thank you for watching.